Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good day, mom and sir. My name is Christine Salvador, 24 years old. I am single with a live-in partner. I have one daughter, 3 years old. I have two brothers and one sisters, and I am the second of the family. I college graduate and I took course medical and dental nursing assistants at Negros Oriental State University, Pais campus.
Okay, how many years of experience you do as a housemaid here in the Philippines?
I have 2 years experience here in the Philippines as a nanny. I serve on one couple and one son. I do household chores like cleaning, washing, cooking, marketing, and also I tutor the baby and EBC.
Okay, so you don't know how to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, I know how to take care of newborn baby because I am a mom and I know how to I have experience in the Philippines here.
Okay, so if the baby is sick, what will you do?
If the baby is sick, the first thing to do is put a towel in the head and check the temperature.
Okay, so if the baby or the children is very naughty, what will you do?
If the baby is naughty, first I will come and talk the baby, and
Do you have a long vision for them?
yes, I have.
Okay, why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to come. I will come to Hong Kong because I will provide my family financially.
Okay, who will take care of your kid when you work in Hong Kong?
My mother.
Okay. Do you scare dogs and cats?
No, because I have kid in the house.
Okay. Do you have any allergy?
No.
Okay, so you eat everything right?
Yes, I eat everything.
Okay, so can you sing a baby song?
Yes, I sing. Like the wheel on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on the bus go round and round, all to the town.
Okay, do you love cooking?
Yes, I love cooking.
How can you rate yourself? Cooking is good or excellent?
It's excellent.
Okay, so if in Hong Kong, if there is an elder person in their house of the employers, are you willing to take care to assist them all their needs?
Yes.
Okay, if there is a car of your employer, are you willing to do the car washing without extra pay?
Yes.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No.
Okay, if ever the employer let you cut your hair short before you come to Hong Kong, are you willing?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. So lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
And a message to my future employer. I am honest person, cleanliness, and hardworking, and willing to learn all the time.
Are you will promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, I am promise.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Thank you.